Without proper application and the proper sealing of shingles, extreme wind velocities can damage Heritage Vintage AR shingles after application. This can especially be a problem if the shingles are applied in cooler months or in areas on the roof that do not receive direct sunlight. These conditions may impede the sealing of the adhesive strips on the shingles. The inability to seal down may be compounded by prolonged cold weather conditions and/or blowing dust. In these situations, hand sealing of the shingles is recommended. Shingles must also be fastened according to the fastening instructions. Correct placement of the fasteners is critical to the performance of Heritage Vintage AR shingles. Fasteners must be placed 6 inches from the top edge of the shingle, located horizontally as dictated by the specific pattern. If the fasteners are not placed as described, this will result in the termination of Tamko's liabilities under the limited warranty. Please refer to Tamko's limited warranty for details. The standard fastening pattern must be used on decks with slopes of 2 inches per foot to 21 inches per foot. In this pattern, one fastener shall be placed 1 1/2 inches back from each end, one fastener 10 3/4 inches back from each end, and one fastener 20 inches from one end for a total of 5 fasteners. The mansard or steep slope fastening pattern must be used on decks with slopes of greater than 21 inches per foot. Use the standard nailing instructions with 4 additional nails placed 6 inches from the butt edge of the shingle, making certain the nails are covered by the next successive course of shingles. Each shingle tab must be sealed underneath with quick-setting asphalt adhesive cement immediately upon installation. Spots of cement should be equivalent in size to 1/4 and applied to shingles with a 5-inch exposure. Use 9 fasteners per shingle. Tamko recommends the use of nails as the preferred method of application. Standard type roofing nails should be used. Nail shanks should be made of minimum 12-gauge wire, and the minimum head diameter should be 3/8 of an inch. Nails must be long enough to penetrate 3/4 of an inch into the roof deck. Where the deck is less than 3/4 of an inch thick, the nails must be long enough to penetrate completely through the plywood decking and extend at least 1/8 of an inch through the roof deck. Nail heads must be driven flush with the shingle surface. Note the correct nail angle and depth shown here.